This is a £40 spot cleaner, but is it any good? It's made by Day Plus and I bought it from Temu, but it's available from Amazon and eBay and sites like that too. Now it is just a spot cleaner, so it's not for doing your entire carpet in your room, but it is a godsend. I've gone and spilt my coffee and now I need to get rid of the spill. I'm going to extract most of it just by using extraction only on the vacuum cleaner. So I'm not actually going to be spraying any shampoo on it yet. And then, once I've done that, I'm just going to spray the shampoo just to treat the area on its own and then turn the vacuum cleaner off. I'm going to scrub it with this brush. There's a built-in brush on this tool that comes with it. Once that's all scrubbed, I then turn the vacuum cleaner on and it's time to extract the shampoo. You press the spray button as you go and it feeds the tool with shampoo and then it extracts it at the same time, leaving you with a clean carpet. Finally, once you've done that and you're happy with the result, I just run over it for a few passes with just extraction only. We're not spraying any more shampoo on it, and this is just to get the area dry. And there we go, another spill cleaned up. I've only had this thing a couple of weeks and I almost look forward to people spilling things. It's a bit mad really. It's so lightweight, I can just grab it and go when I need it. Also, the best thing for me is it fits in its neat little box. So I've only got the tiniest space under my stairs left and it just fits in it perfectly. I've also found that the carpets are much drier than they are compared to when I use my big Vax carpet cleaner, so that's an added bonus too. One thing it doesn't come with though is the carpet shampoo. Now that's not a problem, you can buy this stuff in any hardware store. I use the trade stuff, but you can use any brand that you come across. I haven't been asked to do this review, it's genuinely my own £40 that I spent on it and I'm so glad that I did. This next review is similar, it's the cheapest upright vacuum cleaner that you can buy in the UK and it absolutely blew me away. Also, if you're after the best vacuum cleaner you can for your money, buying a used one, this top video here is the best Dyson that I found for 50 quid.